Hello students, our today's topic is capitalize and assets under construction to the complete asset reverse. For reversing document, we can use transaction code AIST reverse or by path SAP Asset Accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, posting, reverse document, capital assets under construction. For the reversing, enter the asset under construction number to reverse AUS. AUS assets under construction. SAP में जाकर हम रिवर्स डॉक्यूमेंट पास करते हैं. Accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, posting, capitalized assets under construction, रिवर्सल में जाना है रिवर्स डॉक्यूमेंट capitalized assets under construction. Just double click on it. Enter your company code. Enter your asset. Our document date. 20th Jan 2025. 20th January 2025. पहले हम टेस्ट रन करके चेक करते हैं. Just click on execute button. The last settlement was posted in the period 0 to 2. Okay, just change the date to Jan. Execute. And then execute. Just press enter. Click on simulate. So देखो यहाँ पर हमारी एंट्री एसेट अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन डेबिट हो गया और हमारी मैनेजमेंट बिल्डिंग के दोनों लेजर क्रेडिट हो गए. Just come back. Now click on line items. Press enter. तो देखो लाइन आइटम भी हमारे पोस्ट हो गए हैं. डॉक्यूमेंट नंबर 1006 and for assets 760006. Against transaction type 346. Just close it. Now come back. If we want to reverse it, then remove test run and then execute it. Now go to AW01N. Then we can check here if we reverse the entry. That's it.